In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user to Google Analytics in just 5 minutes. This quick tutorial will guide you through each step, ensuring that you can seamlessly add users to your Google Analytics account and manage access effectively. Let's dive right into the process. First, you need to navigate to Google's Analytics tools and solutions. Simply open your preferred web browser and head over to the Google Analytics homepage. Once you're on the page, you'll want to log in, so click on the Sign into Analytics button. Make sure you're entering the correct credentials associated with your Google Analytics account, as this will ensure you access the right dashboard. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Analytics homepage. From here, you'll want to locate the Settings menu, which houses all the administrative settings you might need. Spot the gear icon, the universal symbol for settings, and click on it. This will take you to the Admin section. Now that you're in the settings area, look for the option labeled Property Details. This is where you'll find the various properties you manage under your Google Analytics account. Clicking here will open up more specific options related to each property. Next, search for the Property Access Management option. This is a crucial step as it controls who can view and manage your analytics data. Upon clicking this, you'll be directed to a page where you can see the current users and their access levels. At this point, we want to add a new user. Locate the Add button, typically highlighted for ease, and click on it. A drop-down or pop-up will appear showing the Add Users option. Select this and you'll be prompted to enter the new user's email address. As you prepare to input the user details, it's important to consider the level of access you wish to grant them. You'll encounter various options ranging from viewer to editor to administrator. Choose the level that best suits their role within your team or organization. Remember, granting the right permissions helps maintain data security and operational efficiency. Once all the necessary information is filled out and you've selected the correct access level, finalize the process by clicking Add. Google Analytics will then add the new user, and they'll receive an email notification with instructions on how to access the account. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've successfully added a new user to your Google Analytics account. This process not only enhances collaboration, but also ensures that your team can fully leverage the insights provided by analytics. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more quick and useful tutorials.